Shri Gurubhyo Namaha students, welcome to online class. Today I am going to discuss miscellaneous exercise, that is in chapter number 6, question number 2. Show that the function f of x equal to log x by x has maximum at x is equal to here e. Here only maximum is mentioned, that means it is local maxima. You want to find a second order derivative, right? Right, children? You have to recall the concept. Solution f of x equal to log x divided by x. First step, what you want to do? You have to differentiate. F dash of x equal to what? Log x. Here you are going to apply u by v format, right? That formula you have to write. U by v, the derivative of u by v equal to v u dash minus u v dash divided by v square. Divided by v square. Now I am going to move to the next step, right? See, 1 minute. This the f dash I am going to write it in the second line, right? The space is not sufficient, so that. Now f dash of x equal to v square, that is x square, x into, when you differentiate log x, what can you get? 1 by x minus log x. When you differentiate x, you will get it as 1. So x cancel, which is equal to 1 minus log x divided by x square. Divided by x square. What is the second step, children? You have to equate the derivative to 0, which implies 1 minus log x divided by x square equal to 0. Now, this implies 1 minus log x equal to 0. Equal to 0. Now, log x equal to 1. Log x equal to 1. When you shift log to this side, it will act as a exponential, right? Which implies x is equal to e. X is equal to e. What it is given, the same we arrived as a critical point. Now, second order derivative. F double dash of x equal to. Here also you are going to apply what? The same u by v, the derivative. X square the whole square. Here x square minus 1 by x. Am I right, children? 1 is a constant, it will act as 0. When you differentiate log x, you will arrive minus 1 by x. Minus 1 minus log x. When you differentiate x square, what you will get? 2x. This is equal to, see here, 1x, x cancel. What can you get? You see, minus x minus 2x plus 2x into log x. 2x into log x divided by x power 4. Am I right, children? Whether you got it? Say yes or no. Yes. Minus x minus 2x. See? Now you see. You are simplifying the second order derivative. F double dash of x equal to minus 3x plus 2x log x divided by x power 4. In that you can take x as common. Then 2 log x minus 3. I'm shifting the term. I didn't do anything, right? X power 4. 1x cancel. You will get it as what? 3. Now you want to substitute x is equal to e, right? X is equal to e. Now f double dash of at x is equal to e. F double dash of e equal to 2 into log e minus 3 divided by e power 3. 2 log e. Log e to the base e is 1. So 2 into 1 minus 3 divided by e square, which is equal to minus 1 by e square less than 0, because e value is positive. Whatever positive value in the denominator, in the numerator you have negative, so definitely you will arrive negative. Therefore, which is less than 0. Once if you arrive second order derivative is 0, what is your conclusion, children? Therefore, the function is maximum. Function is maximum at x is equal to e. Got it? Now, I'm going to teach question number 4. Right? Miscellaneous exercise. All the things together it will come in the exercise. What are the things we discussed in the chapter? Everything it comes under the combined format. Now you see question number 4. What it is? Find the equation of the normal to curve y square equal to 4x at the point 1 comma 2. At the point 1 comma 2. Now they are expecting normal. First, what do you want to do? Normal procedure you have to follow. First, you have to differentiate with respect to x, right? First step, what do you want to do? You have to differentiate with respect to x. First step, solution y square equal to 4x. You have to recall slope of the tangent. Slope of the tangent is nothing but dy by dx, right? Slope of the tangent. If you find the slope of the tangent only, you can find the slope of the normal. Slope of the tangent is, you are going to differentiate. When you differentiate y square, 2y into dy by dx equal to 4. Now you know the value of x and y, right? That is, you have to cancel here itself. 2 2's are. Now, dy by dx equal to 2 by y. Now, dy by dx, it is given as 0.1 comma 2, right? So, x should be replaced by 1 if it is there. Y should be replaced by 2. So, 2 by 2 equal to 1. Slope of the tangent you found. What is slope of the normal? Anyone? Yeah, very good. Slope of the normal is nothing but reciprocal of the slope of the tangent with opposite symbol, right? Slope of the normal. Slope of the normal equal to reciprocal of 1 is 1. What is the opposite symbol? That is positive. Here it will act as negative. Now, equation of the normal. 1 point slope form you want to use. What is 1 point slope form? Yeah, very good. Y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. But here they are expecting normal. This one you should denote it as m1. That you are going to substitute in the equation. Right, children? Equation of the normal is y minus y1 equal to m1 into x minus x1. You know the value of y1 and x1. Y minus 2. What is your m1? Minus 1. What is your x1? 1. Right? Slope of the normal, so that you are using m1. If they are asking equation of the normal, so that you are using your slope as minus 1. Suppose equation of the tangent, if they are expecting your slope of the tangent is 1 only, right? Now I am going to simplify. What can I arrive? See, y minus 2 equal to minus x plus 1, right? X plus y minus 3 equal to 0. 3 equal to 0, right? Now I am going to move to question number 5. Question number 5. I hope you people understood, right? If you are thorough, only you can do, right? Or daily you have to practice, children. Question number 5. Show that the normal, what it is? Show that the normal at, show that the normal at any, normal at any point, normal at any point theta to the curve, theta to the curve x is equal to a cos theta, y is equal to a theta, sorry, x is equal to a cos theta. The format is there, children. I will write it in the next line, right? To the curve x is equal to a cos theta plus a theta sin theta, a theta sin theta, y is equal to a sin theta, a sin theta minus a theta cos theta is at a constant, is at a constant distance from the origin. Constant distance from the origin. You want to show, right? The value you should arrive only the constant at the end. Distance from the origin. Right, children? First, the same procedure you want to follow, right? What is the same procedure? Any idea? Any idea? First step, you want to do the differentiation with respect to theta. Because here x is given, y is given separately. Using that, you have to differentiate. You will get dy by dx. That is your slope of the tangent. Right, children? What is your dx by d theta? Dx by d theta equal to minus a sin theta. That is your first part. Second part, you are going to apply UV format. UV, the whole dash equal to UV dash plus VU dash, right? Because theta and sin theta, you are differentiating with respect to theta. So both the things you want to differentiate. Now, plus A bracket theta into cos theta plus sin theta. Right, children? U V dash plus V U dash. When you differentiate theta with respect to theta, you will get it as 1. Now, you are going to simplify. Minus A sin theta plus A theta cos theta plus A sin theta. Right? Plus A sin theta minus A sin theta cancel. You arrive A theta cos theta. Right, children? Now, dy by d theta, dy by d theta equal to what it is given in y? A cos theta. First part you have no issue. When you come to the second one, you have to apply the product rule, right, children? A Here it is given as minus. So minus a into bracket theta into cos theta. When you differentiate cos theta, what can you get? Minus sin theta plus cos theta. When you differentiate theta, what can you get? 1. Right? A cos theta plus a theta sin theta minus into minus. Then minus into plus again minus cos theta. Minus cos theta plus cos theta cancel. You arrive a theta sin theta. Okay, only first simple part alone we completed. Now only we are going to enter into the solution part, right? This is also a solution, but we need slope of the tangent, right? Now, how to find slope of the tangent? We need dy by dx, right? Slope of the tangent. Slope of the tangent. Slope of the tangent is nothing but dy by dx. From the above thing, how can you get your dy by dx? Dy by dx equal to dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta, which is equal to, you have to be very careful children, a theta sin theta dx by d theta is what? A theta cos theta, right? A theta cancel, you arrive tan theta. You arrive tan theta. What is slope of the tangent? Tan theta. Then, what is slope of the normal? You know, the reciprocal of the slope of the tangent with the opposite symbol, right? Slope of the tangent. Sorry, slope of the normal. Slope of the normal equal to what? Minus 1 by tan theta, right? Minus 1 by dy by dx, which is equal to minus cot theta. Minus cot theta. Now I am going to enter into the equation of the normal, right? Equation of the normal. Equation of the normal. Equation of the normal. Here your x1 and y1 is given as x and y, right? Y minus y1 equal to m1 into x minus x1, because I am going to use slope of the normal, right? Equation of the normal means you want to apply slope of the normal only, right? Now y minus bracket a sin theta, carefully you write children, minus a theta cos theta. This is your y1 equal to minus cot theta can be written as cos theta by sin theta. Cos theta by sin theta. X minus a cos theta plus a theta sin theta, right? Whenever a largest format come, you have to write slowly. You should not commit mistake, right? Now you are going to simply multiply. That's it, right? Use sin theta and multiply. Use cos theta and multiply, right? What can you get? You see y sin theta minus a sin square theta minus into minus plus a theta cos theta sin theta, right? This is equal to minus x minus into minus plus a, sorry, minus x into cos theta plus a cos square theta, a cos square theta. Next, plus a theta cos theta sin theta, right? You have to be very careful, children, right? Now, here also plus a theta cos theta plus a theta cos theta in between equal the same coefficient and same symbol means you can cancel. Now, y x cos theta plus y sin theta equal to a cos square theta plus a sin square theta. You know the identity cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. So what can you arrive? You can arrive the result as A. This is your equation of the normal. Equation of the normal. But what it is given? The distance, right? The distance from the origin is a constant. Here the normal they mentioned. So distance is nothing but perpendicular distance, right? Perpendicular distance, perpendicular distance, perpendicular distance. You should recall the formula. The perpendicular distance of the normal from the origin, of the normal from the origin. From the origin is formula. I'm going to write, right? What it is? D is equal to modulus of constant divided by modulus of constant divided by root of coefficient of x square, coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square, right? See, again I tell you the formula. This one already you learnt in the 11th standard, right? D is equal to constant divided by root of coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square. Here, what is your coefficient of x square? Cos theta, cos, right? Coefficient of x is cos theta, coefficient of y is sin theta. Now, D is equal to, what is the constant? A divided by root of cos square theta plus sin square theta. You know the value cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. So what you arrive at the end? What you arrive at the end, children? Your constant is minus, right? Minus modulus. Then it becomes plus modulus. It will give you the plus format, right? Say yes or no. Modulus will make it as positive. How can I get minus? You should make it as an equation. A cos theta, sorry, x cos theta plus y sin theta minus a equal to 0. Constant, right? Constant is minus a. So which is independent, which is independent, independent, which is independent of theta. We proved which is independent of theta. And what do you want to say? The perpendicular distance and the perpendicular distance, perpendicular distance of the normal, of the normal, of the normal from the origin, from the origin, from the origin is constant. We proved D is equal to A. A is a constant or not, children? Yeah. Hence, here you write, 1 minute. Right. Hence, better. Right. Hence, the perpendicular distance of the normal from the origin is constant. That only they are asking to prove, that we proved at the end, right? The distance formula alone you have to recall, right? D is equal to, I will show you one time. D is equal to modulus of constant divided by root of coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square. This one I am going to make it as a equation. X cos theta plus y sin theta minus a equal to 0. That's why the constant will act as negative, right? See here. I hope you people understood, right, children? Origin is constant. You have to go through. If you have any doubt, if you will ask tomorrow, I will explain. Right? Thank you, children.